Mohammad Inzamam. Hope you are liking all my videos, guys. Mathematics properties of triangles I have already completed. Now go watch my all videos for the properties of triangle. See the logic 1, logic 2, logic 3 problems. Formula I have given in very short manners, guys, and at last based on formulas also we have done certain problems. Hope you are liking and subscribing all the videos. Share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed so far, go press the subscribe button, press the bell icon, guys, to be notified for the further more videos. Definitely this is going to be utilized for your TSE ESET examination. Plan well for your ESET examination, guys. Thank you very much. This is Mohammad Inzamam signing off. Thank you very much, guys. Hi, welcome everyone. This is Mohammad Inzamam. Let's continue our trigonometry topic. Our next topic is now properties of triangle. In the properties of triangle, every year in the ESET examination, you can expect in and around some 2 to 3 marks, guys. Minimum 2 marks will be definitely you can observe. To this first logic 1 type of problem, you can get the answer within 10 seconds, guys. Not more than 10 seconds. You can tell it is within 5 to 10 seconds only. Let's try and understand. Question number 1. R1 plus R2, R3 minus R. No formula required for this type of problem, guys. Directly with the observation, observe the question, observe the options, and then you can get the answer. Let's say R1 plus R2, R3 minus R. The answer is what? C square. Next question, observe here, guys. R1 by R2, R3. The moment you look at the question, look at the option A by 2, C by 2, B by 2, the answer is going to become what? Tan A by 2. Sir, how are you solving this problem within this only 5 seconds? Let me tell you the answer for it, guys. First of all, you need to have idea about this logic 1. So what is this logic 1? Let's make the logic 1 very clear, guys. A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, capital A, capital B, capital C, angles ABC, R1, R2, R3, these are in radiuses, guys, x radiuses, and altitudes P1, P2, P3, based on the missing alphabets, missing letters, and based upon the present letters, you need to identify the odd one out. Odd one out, and then you can put the answer correctly, guys. Pause the video to note it down. Now let's solve the problem by means of this logic. Logic given that A square, A, R1, P1, this is this first column, first group, guys. B square, capital B, R2, P2, this is second group elements. C square, angle C, R3 and P3, these are third group. Based on the missing letter, based on the present letter, you need to identify the odd one out and put the answer. Observe here, you can find here the question as R1 plus R2. R1 is A group, R2 is B group. These are in a bracket. That means this is a one term. Odd one out, separately R3 is given, guys. R3 is belonging to which group? Third group. In the third group, which option is there now? C square. So that must be your correct answer. One more time, let me give you the logic 1 explanation, guys. R1 plus R2. R1 belongs to first group. R2 belongs to second group. First and second group is there inside one bracket. That is, it is considered to be one term now. R3 is written separate bracket. That means R3 term is separately mentioned. R3 is the odd one out now. R is not even the logic, guys. R3 is the odd one out. R3 is the separately written. That's why it is considered to be the odd one out. R3 is in which group now? Third group. In the third group, which option is there, guys? A square, B square, or C square? C square. So definitely the answer is what? C square. Similarly, observe here. R1 by R2, R3. R is not even counted, guys. R1. R1 is in numerator separately. R1 belongs to which group? First group. In the first group, which option is there? A by 2, C by 2, B by 2, A by 2. That's why A by 2 is the correct answer. Now let's do the same problems with the formulas, guys. I'll make a separate part over the formulas of properties of triangle. Maybe in part 3 or part 4, you go through it and all the formulas you will understand. Let's solve the problem now. R1 formula, R1 is the in radius, guys. It can be written as delta divided by S minus A. Similarly, R2 is delta by S minus B. R2 is delta by S minus B. R3 is delta divided by S minus C. And R is equal to delta by S. This is very lengthy approach, guys. Basically, it is not utilized directly. You need to put the answer. But let me prove it. That is, it is also equal to C square. So what is the formula for R1 now? Delta by S minus A plus delta by S minus B into delta by S minus C minus delta divided by S. In this total, what is common part? Delta is the common part. In this, what is the common part? Delta is the common part. If I take the LCM here, LCM, then what is the denominator? S minus A, S minus B. In the numerator, what is going to happen, guys? S minus B plus S minus A. In the denominator here, S into S minus C. Here it is going to become S minus into minus plus C. Plus S minus S gets what? Cancel. S plus S is what, guys? 2S. You should know this formula that 2S is equals to A plus B plus C. So in the 2S, guys, we have A plus B plus C. Then this plus B minus B gets what? Cancel. This plus A minus A will get what? Cancel. So remaining part in the numerator is going to become only C. Here C into C is going to become C square. Delta into delta is going to become delta square. Denominator you will be having what? S. Here we are taking the first term, S it is, then S minus A, then S minus B, S minus C. So S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. You should know about this formula also, that, guys, that is delta formula, area formula is equals to, that is delta equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. That means delta equal to root of S is to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C means what? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C will be equal to delta square. So numerator is a delta square, denominator is also delta square. So delta square gets what? Cancel, and your answer is what? Answer is C square. So hence we got the C square. Observe, guys, how many formulas you need to remember: R1, R2, R3, R2S formula, delta formula. Then you will be solving it in how many steps? One step, second step, third step, and at last 4 steps you are going to get the answer. So I rather than going with this 4-step answer also, 4-step definitely you are going to get the answer correctly, but by the observation it's very simple. Within 5 seconds, guys, within 2 to 3 seconds, just observe the question in 2 seconds, observe the option in 2 seconds, put the answer in 1 second. So within 5 seconds you can do this problem correctly. Let's solve this problem also now. That is root of R1 divided by R2, R3. What is the formula for R? Delta divided by S. What is the formula for R1? Delta by S minus A. What is the formula for R2? Delta by S minus B. What is the formula for R3? Delta by S minus C under root. Delta, cancel. This is going to the numerator, guys. That is S minus B, S minus C divided by S into S minus A. I've already completed in the part for formulas part, guys. Go through that formulas part and you will observe that S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C is the formula for tan A by 2. This is the tan A by 2 answer, guys. So by the formula itself the answer is tan A by 2, and directly with the logic also the answer is what? Tan A by 2 only. One more time, let me repeat the logic, guys. What is the logic? Odd one out. R1 plus R2, one term, R3 separate. R3 separate, so third R3 is the odd one out now. Odd one out, third group, C square is the correct answer. R1, numerator R1 is the denominator, separately he mentioned R2 and R3. So R1 is the odd one out now. So tan A by 2 must be your correct answer. Pause the video to note it down. Now let's try and understand over the similar concept, guys, some more formulas. Guys, just now we have solved that R1 plus R2 into R3 minus R. The answer was what? C square. And what was the odd one out? R3 was the odd one out term, that is third group. R3 is in third group answer was what? C square based on the options. So there is no options now, directly let's try and remember it is similar to the formulas. So who's the odd one out now? R1. R3, that means it is C square. So R1 is going to become in which group, guys? A. So your answer must be what? A square. So you need not options also, directly you can remember it is a formula. Now R1 plus R3 odd one out is what? R2. R2 means second group. Second group, what is the correct answer now? B square. So these are the formula for A square, B square and C square. Next one, R1 by R2, R3. R1, it is in first group. First group, that's why we have written the answer as tan A by 2. Now it is second group, the answer must be what, guys? Think about it, it must be tan B by 2. And the last one, R3 by R1, R2. Now, odd one out is what? R3. R3 odd one out, the answer must be what? Tan C by 2. Pause the video to note it down. Let's continue with the next question, guys. Question is given as 1 minus tan a by 2 into tan c by 2. I know by seeing just the question and the options itself, you might have guessed already the correct answer. So what is the correct answer, guys? Given is tan a by 2, tan c by 2. A is present here, C is present here, but the option is not given in terms of both A and C. Suppose C by S is separate given, A by S is separate given. So A by S and C by S could not be the correct answer. But what is the missing one here? B. That means observe here, we are talking about this topic, guys, here, that is missing letter. So A by 2 is given, C by 2 is given. So A and C by 2 both cannot be the correct answer. So definitely missing one must be the correct answer. So who's the missing here? A is given, C is given. What is the missing one, guys? B. B by S must be the correct answer. Very good, guys. Now let's move to the next question. Now here given B, C, C, B. That means B is given, C is given, C is given, B is given. So B and C cannot be the correct answer. So what is the missing letter, guys? Missing letter is A. So this letter A must be the correct answer. Let's try one more method, guys, with which we are going to solve and prove that this is the correct answer. What is the formula for tan a by 2? I can write the formula for the tan a by 2 in this form: delta divided by s into s minus a. Numerator I have taken the delta, so in the next formula I am going to take the delta in the denominator. Go through with the part in which I have explained all the formulas, guys, so that you can understand it very easily. So here what is going to become now? S into s minus c must be there. So s completed, s minus c completed. So here it must be s minus a and s minus b. So observe the formula and cancel whatever the common part is there, guys. Delta, delta, s minus a is going to get cancelled. Remaining part is 1 minus of s minus b divided by s. Take the LCM and what is going to become, guys? S minus into minus is going to become plus b divided by s. This s gets cancelled. So what is the correct answer now? B by s is your correct answer, which has been already put the correct answer by looking at the 5 seconds only. Well, within the 5 seconds. Now let's see the next question, that is b cos c plus c cos b. We already know about the projection rule formulas, guys. What are the projection rule formulas? Projection rule formula states that A is equals to B cos C plus C cos B. I have already told you that this formula you can remember in this form: B C C B. So what is the remaining? What is the missing one? A. Next question is going to become B. If B is there, you can write here A cos C plus C cos A. So what is the missing one? B. Next one is C. C is equals to A cos B plus B cos A. So what is the missing one in ABBA, guys? C. So these are the three questions which you can remember, and this formula is none other than called as projection rule. How can you write this same question in terms of other answers, guys? A by S and C by S. Let's write that questions also similar problem. That is 1 minus tan A by 2 tan B by 2. Tan A by 2 tan B by 2. Tan A by 2 tan B by 2. What is the missing one now? C. So answer must be C by S. Next question, guys, similar. 1 minus tan B by 2 and C by 2. Let's write B by 2 and tan C by 2. So answer is going to become A by S. Very simple, guys. Within 5 seconds itself you can put the answer correctly. Pause the video to note it down. Let's see some more problems, guys, about the logic one. If you are watching this regularly, guys, then definitely you have already got the correct answer for it. That is B plus C minus A got B by 2 plus got C by 2 tan A by 2. You can observe here B is in positive, C is positive, guys, but A is negative. So odd one out is must be related to A only. Next, another term you can see tan got B by 2 got C by 2. This is acting as one term. So there is no oddness it is, but out of the bracket we have given some tan A by 2. So what is the odd one out, guys, here? A term. What is the odd one out in this total term? A term. So answer must contains what? A. Option A is what? 0. B is what? S. C is 2A. D is 3C. So tell which one is the correct answer, guys. Definitely the answer correct will be what? 2A only. Let's see one more question now. That is question. This is already appeared in the previous ESET examination, Engineering Common Entrance Test, guys. Already appeared directly question logic 1. So without even solving, guys, within 5 seconds you can tell the answer. I already know that, guys, you people have already guessed the answer. Let's see which is the correct answer now. B plus C whole square sin square A by 2. B minus C whole square cos square A by 2. What is the odd one out? B plus C. Out of the bracket, what is the term? A. B minus C. What is the out of the term now? A. That means answer must contain what? A term only. So what is the correct answer now? A square is your correct answer. Try to solve these problems, guys. Meanwhile, let's solve the problems now with the formulas. B plus C minus A, I'm writing it as it is, guys. B plus C minus A. Cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. Cot formulas, we know that it is delta divided by S into S minus B plus delta divided by S into S minus C plus tan A divided by 2. Tan A divided by 2 can be written in terms of delta form. Rather than going with this formula, guys, I have already told you some in radius formula. I told that in radius formula, R is equals to R. We have already got this part, guys, this triangle I have explained. Go to the formulas part one more time to check all the formulas there. What is the given? Let's say this is angle A, so this opposite side is going to become what? Small a. We are having here in radius of R, this is going to become B divided by 2, this is going to become angle C divided by 2, and this is going to become R cot B by 2, this is going to become R cot C divided by 2. So A can be written as R cot B by 2 plus R cot C by 2. A is equals to R cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. This was the formula which we have already learned. The people who don't know have to remember this formula now, guys. That is A equal to R of cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. If I want to write the formula in terms of this cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2, guys, cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 is equals to A divided by R. Pause the video to note it down this formula, guys. Now we'll continue about it. Question given. Now I can write directly this total part as B plus C minus A. It is going to be written as A divided by R because we know the formula that A is cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 is equals to A divided by R, guys. So A by R we can write here. Next one is what? Tan A divided by 2 as it is I am writing. So what is the formula for in radius R? R is equals to delta divided by S. Let's see one more step here. B plus C minus A into A divided by. In the place of R we can write delta divided by S. Now tan A by 2 formula. Tan A by 2 formula, I am choosing the formula which is having the delta in numerator, guys. So what is the formula when delta is given in the numerator? In the denominator you need to write what, guys? Tan formula always starts from bottom, that is sign by cos. It can be written as S into S minus A. So this is delta cancel, S gets also cancel. B plus C minus A. We can write here plus A and minus A, guys, with which is A plus B plus C is equals to what? A plus B plus C is equals to 2S. So this total term is going to become 2S. Minus A is going to become minus 2A, and outside part is we have left out with S minus A. If we take this part here in the numerator we have left out with A also. So what we can write here, 2 taken common, guys, inside will be S minus A, denominator is also S minus A, S minus A cancel, answer is 2A. So that is very too clumsy problem, but still, guys, in 4 steps you are going to get it. This one. This is a step 1, formula you need to remember. So this is a step 2, this is step 3, this is step 4, and at last you are going to get the answer in after the step 4, that is step 5. So to do this step 5, you must be taking in around some 50 seconds for minimum, guys. But not much necessary because we have the logic 1, that is B plus C minus A. Odd one out is what? A. Cot B by 2, cot C by 2, tan A by 2. What's the odd one out? A. So which option is having the A option now? That is 2A. Answer third one is the correct one. Let's move on to the next problem, guys. B plus C whole square sin square A by 2. B minus C whole square cos square A by 2. Let's do with the formulas now and prove that the answer is A square. What we can write for B plus C whole square? B square plus C square plus 2BC sin square A divided by 2. Next one is what? B square plus C square minus 2BC cos square A divided by 2. In order to understand these two problems, guys, you must be knowing about these two formula. That is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. Sin square plus cos square plus sin, both are the same, guys. Next one, cos square theta minus sin square theta is equals to cos 2 theta, and at last cos angle formula also you need to remember. Let me mention this at the end of the problem. So what we can write now, we can write B square plus C square. B square plus C square is a common term. So B square plus C square taken common. Inside part will be what, guys? Left out part is sin square and cos square. So we can write here sin square A by 2 plus cos square a divided by 2. Another term which is remaining is 2bc only. I'm taking minus 2bc first of all. Minus 2bc into what? Cos square a divided by 2. Here 2bc sin square a by 2 in positive. Positive is there, so that's why you need to write here minus, so that minus into minus is going to become plus. 2bc is already outside, so what is the left part now? Sin square a divided by 2. Try and understand guys, how can we write b square plus c square? B square plus c square multiple sin square a by 2, b square plus c square multiple cos square a by 2. If you take the b square plus c square common, sin square a by 2 plus cos square a by 2 will be remaining, and sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Cos square theta minus sin theta equal to cos 2 theta. We can write here cos 2 times of theta. What is the theta value? A by 2. This 2 gets what? Cancel. So what is the formula at last we need to remember now? Remaining part is b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a is the cosine rule for a square. Is the cosine rule for what guys? A square. Observe here. You have got the correct answer guys. Pause the video to note it down. Let's see the next problem now based on the logic 1 guys. Observe the question and get an answer. You have the 5 seconds. 1 by p1 plus 1 by p2 minus 1 by p3 s minus a by delta, s minus b by delta, s minus c by delta, and s by delta. What is the correct answer guys? The correct answer is minus given to third group element, that is p3. A, B, C, R1, R2, R3, A square, B square, C square, P1, P2, P3. P3 is in which group? Third group. That means it is in A, B, C, C form. So what is the option which is giving the C form guys? C is the correct answer. Within 5 seconds, yes, you can also put the correct answer there. Observe the next question now. A plus B plus C tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2. 2C got A by 2, 2C got B by 2, 2C got C by 2, 2A got C by 2. And you have the 5 seconds to solve the problem guys. What is the answer? The correct answer is A, B, C, all the 3 are given. Tan A by 2, tan B by 2. What is the missing one now? C. So answer must be in terms of C. Cot C by 2, cot C by 2. But here C is given, here A is given. C is the missing one. So what must be the correct answer? 2C cot C by 2 must be the correct answer. Let's prove this by means of formulas. For the altitude formula guys, go and check the part in which the formulas has been mentioned and try to remember all the formulas guys. Formula for altitude is P1 equal to, let's say one more time I'll give the basic for you and you can pause the video to note it guys. And here given that let's say base is equals to A, height is called as altitude P1 guys. So what is the formula for area? Area is represented by delta, half into base into height. So what is the formula for P1 now? P1 is equals to 2 delta divided by A. Similarly P2 2 delta by B and P3 is 2 delta divided by C. This formula already I have given guys in that part, so you can write and remember all the formulas. The people who don't know, pause the video, note it down all the formulas and try. So let's do the problem guys. 1 divided by P1. P1 is equals to 2 delta divided by A. P2 is equals to 2 delta divided by B. P3 is equals to 2 delta divided by C. As it is in 1 by guys, C, A, B, C are going to be the numerator. Observe here 2 delta, 2 delta, 2 delta, 2 delta is common outside. So what is the left out part? A plus B minus C. I have already told you that 2S is equals to A plus B plus C. Let's convert it in the form of 2S. So here I should write plus C and minus C. A plus B plus C is going to become what? 2S minus C is going to become 2C. So 1 by 2 delta 2 into S minus 2 into C. 2 taken common, it's going to be written as S minus C divided by 2 times of delta. 2 gets cancelled. What's the answer? S minus C by delta. That you have already got the answer guys. Let's see the next question. Observe the next question and try to solve the problem guys. Given A plus B plus C tan A by 2 tan B by 2. We already know that A plus B plus C is equals to what? 2S. A plus B plus C is equals to 2S. And tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2. I am writing the formula for tan A by 2. Denominator delta I am taking guys, so that I can take the denominator delta common outside. So what is the formula now? You S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C plus delta taken common in the denominator guys. Numerator S into S minus B, S minus A, S minus C. Observe here what is the total common term? S minus C by delta, S minus C by delta. S minus C by delta taken common. 2S into S minus C by delta. Inside part left out is S minus B plus S minus A. S plus S is equal to what? 2S. 2s means what? A plus b plus c, minus b minus a as it is, guys. So plus b minus b gets cancelled, plus a minus a gets cancelled, remaining part is only c. So what do we have here? 2c s into s minus c divided by delta. We know that s into s minus c by delta is the formula for cot c by 2. So what's the answer now? 2c cot c by 2 is your answer, guys. Pause the video to note it down. The next two questions are over the board, guys. You have the 5 seconds to solve the problems. Try and solve the problem. The question given is tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 divided by tan a by 2 minus tan b by 2, and options are there over the board. Tan a by 2 plus b by 2, that means a and b both cannot be there in the numerator, not given in the numerator, guys. A is there, b is there, c is there, b. A, why not b? So a cannot be the correct answer. B, why not a? So b also cannot be the correct answer. C. So we can say that tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2, what is the missing one? C. So numerator c must be the correct answer. In the denominator, a minus b, denominator is also a minus b, guys. So the most suitable answer based on the logic 1 could be what? A plus b, missing is c. A minus b, a minus b. So what's the correct answer, guys? Third option must be your correct answer. Go for this question. Next question, guys. A square cos to c minus c square cos to a. Observe the question and get an answer. Question given is a square cos to c minus c square cos to a. A square is given, c square is given, a square minus c square. Option 1 itself is similar to a square minus c square. So option first must be the correct answer. Now let's solve these problems by means of formulas. What is the formula for tan a by 2? Formula for tan a by 2 is delta divided by s minus a, delta divided by s minus b, divided by delta divided by s minus a minus delta divided by s minus b. So if you take the delta value common outside, in the numerator you will be having s minus a, s minus b. Multiplied here, guys, it's gonna become s minus b plus s minus a, whole divided by delta taken common, it's gonna become s minus a, s minus b. Now here it's gonna become s minus b minus s minus into minus plus a. So plus s minus s gets what? Cancel, and in here is going to be left out with a minus b. This part, denominator cancel. S plus s is going to become what? 2s. 2s is equals to what, guys? A plus b plus c. So we are having here plus b minus b plus a minus a. So in the total numerator, left out part is only what? C. Delta is also getting cancelled. So remaining part is c. In the denominator, observe here, guys, what are the two alphabets which are remaining? Minus b plus a, that is a minus b. So what's the correct answer? C by a minus b. That you have already put the correct answer. Observe the question here now. A square cos to c minus c square cos to a. So I am writing the a square as it is, guys. Cos 2 theta can be written in terms of sine. That is cos 2 theta is equals to, what's the formula for cos 2 theta in terms of sine? 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So what's the formula for cos 2c now? Cos 2c is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square c. What is the formula for c? Sine c? Sine c is equals to c divided by 2r. And people who don't know the formula, I am writing every single formula over the board, guys. Pause the video, note it down, remember it, and again try the problem on your own. So in the place of cos 2c, we can write 1 minus 2 sine square c, 1 minus 2 times of sine square c. Sine square c is going to become c square divided by 4r square. Similarly, in the next step also, c square is as it is 1 minus 2 sine square a. 2 sine square a, we can write it here. 2 sine square a is going to become what? A square by 4r square. So it can be written as a square by 4r square. Multiply it here in the inside. A square minus 2a square c square by 4r square minus c square into 1 is minus c square, minus into minus it will become plus 2a square c square by 4r square. Observe these two terms, guys. It is plus 2a square c square by 4r square. It is minus 2a square c square by 4r square. Both get cancelled, and the remaining answer is going to become a square minus c square is your answer that we already know. Pause the video to note it down.